Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. So we are going to discuss about Assembly Biosciences INC and the ticker symbol is ASMB. So first of all, we are talking about a bioscience stock and these kind of stocks are extremely sensitive to news. So any bad news and you will see a crash of 80 to 90%. So apart from fundamental and technical risk, there is a news risk as well. So please keep your eye on that. Now, after a major crash, the stock is in a big price recovery mode and you can clearly see a sharp reversal with which the stock now started moving higher. But then again, the problem, which is huge amount of volatility, so you have to be very cautious about the move. Yes, there is a sharp reversal, but the problem is we technically cannot rely on these kind of moves, and that's the big problem which we have over here. So as far as ASMB stock is concerned, we right now have our support at 27 and we will have our stop loss at 21 on the downside. So make sure that you are not going below both these levels, otherwise downside may resume once again. Now on top of it, because the stock is trading above 27 and it is mandatory for the stock to continue to trade and sustain above 27 if you want to go any further, then in that case the levels which has now become active starts with 52. After 52 we have 86 and after 86 we also have 124. So these are the next couple of targets which has now become active, but one after the another. If you want to go any further, then that requires another breakout, because technically after 124 this entire range will become active. So we do have a big price recovery, but it will become active one after the another, and please understand the levels and the volatility and don't go below the support and the stop loss. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.